A science fiction story, The Traveler, takes up the story of Paul Jarros, who is a part of a research team who has developed an energy screen to travel back into time. Paul Jarros was picked up a few days before Christmas. Jarros decided to go back into time to see the crucifixion of Jesus on the Calvary. Since Jarros was a non-believer and anticipated finding the crucifixion somewhat different as mentioned in the Holy Gospel. As the time arrives, Jarros enters the energy screen. As the countdown begins, Jarros finds himself soaring into time. 100 years, 1,000 years, 2,000 years. The Calvary, crucifixion. Everyone's attention was towards three men nailed on the crosses, 100 meters away. Jarros asked permission from the command center to move a bit closer. He was granted permission but was asked not to step out of the energy screen. Jarros moved closer. But something remarkable happened. He was drawn towards the love radiating from Jesus, as a piece of metal is drawn towards a magnet. Jarros was visibly shaken. On contrary to all his expectations, the events on the Calvary started unfolding the same way as mentioned in the Holy Gospel. As Jarros was emotionally getting involved, the command center decides to return back to the 20th century. Jarros protested but returned. When Jarros stepped out of the energy screen, he was altogether a changed man. The story ends on a note that it was Christmas evening, and what a wonderful time to find faith. The story of Jarros teaches us that on a Good Friday, our attention should not be on the sufferings of Jesus in the Holy Week, but the love behind those sufferings. The suffering of Jesus teaches us about his love in three ways. First, it's a sign of love. Jesus, in his lifetime, stresses on it. The greatest love one person can give for his friend is giving his life for him. Secondly, the suffering of Jesus is an invitation towards his love. In his most possible powerful way, Jesus has stressed during his lifetime, love one another just as I have loved you. Thirdly, the love of Jesus is a revelation. Jesus has stressed this during his lifetime. If you want to follow me, leave everything, carry your cross, and come behind me. When Jesus says, love one another just as I have loved you, he means to say, to love the other to a point that we are willing to give our lives for them. And this giving is not without suffering. That's why he continues to say, carry your cross and follow me. The liturgy of Good Friday gives us an opportunity to participate in his death and passion. If this participation brings us towards his love, as Jarros was attracted towards the cross, we would experience a greater love which Jesus has given for all of us. This love means to love our fellow men to the extent of giving our lives for them. So on this Good Friday, as the followers of Jesus, let us carry our cross and follow him. Thank you.